Warranty-wise, we don't want you to break down. We'll cover you if you do, but we think life's too short to spend it on the hard shoulder. So we want you to learn how to look after your car and stop it from breaking down. But lots of you say you don't know what goes where underneath the bonnet, and it's all very complicated and modern cars are so difficult. Well, here's my very quick guide to which reservoirs are which underneath the bonnet. Let's start with the radiator. Now, most modern cars have what's known as a expansion tank here. This is clear plastic, and it usually has a max and a min sign on it. There's your max line there, so you can tell whether it needs topping up. And to top it up, you undo this. Make sure it's not hot. You'll get scalded. It can be warm, but definitely not hot. And here we are. On the cap, it's got a radiator with a hand with a big red X. So with these things, look for these warning symbols, this exclamation mark and this yellow writing. It's really not difficult to find out what does what. So water, or ideally antifreeze, a mix of antifreeze and water, goes in your expansion cooling tank. Nothing else. You don't put brake fluid, you don't put oil in there. Next, the brake fluid, that's here again. We've got clear signs, yellow signs. That's your brake symbol. It's supposed to be brake drums with the brake shoes there, but again, look for the exclamation mark, look for the book. Don't put anything else in here except brake fluid, and make sure you put in the right brake fluid. So we go back to our old friend the internet, and we put in the make of the car, what brake fluid do I need, and then you can go and buy that from a car accessory shop or any of the garages. So that's sacrosanct. Do not put anything in your brake reservoir apart from brake fluid, otherwise there'll be problems. Oil filler cap. You'd be surprised how many people don't know where this is. Let me give you a clue. It's got an oil can on it. And there's another clue. Castrol recommends. So this is where you pour your oil, not too much and not too little. And here is your dipstick. Again, yellow plastic. And look, presto, it has a little oil can symbol on it. If you're in any doubt at all, you don't even have to go to the handbook. Go on our friend Google, type in your car registration, the make and model, and it will probably have a YouTube tutorial telling you where all these things are. Don't pour in the wrong fluid, and check that your levels are okay, because, as I said, you do not want to break down. We don't want you to break down, because it's really that simple to prevent it.